How intelligent can fabric care be? Very. Introducing the new Whirlpool Cabrio washer and dryer with 6th Sense technology that senses and manages what was once beyond your control. From smallest to largest loads, Cabrio minimizes water usage, provides better cleaning and gentleness, saves energy, steams away wrinkles and odors, and keeps clothes looking new longer. The new Cabrio washer and dryer with 6th Sense technology. Let the laundry begin.